Hi everybody! Welcome back to Faithful Diamonds. Today we have an unboxing. I ordered some custom grills from DP with Sparklers and they have finally come in. I am so excited. So we are going to open this up and see what we have inside. Cool. I don't want to cut through. Try this way. Alright, it's time to replace the blade. There we go. Alrighty. Here is our lovely packing slip with all of our drills. She packaged them up real nicely in this little blue organza bag. So pretty. Might use this for something else. Who knows? Alrighty. In our packing slip, we ended up spending $56.48 on. She said, "Thank you for supporting this mama-owned business." We got 16 total items, and she checked to make sure that she had everything here. All right. Ooh, look at this pretty diamond. She's made this out of drills. That is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, try to get it focused. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so pretty. And then, of course, you get the usual DP with Sparkler sticker. We got her business card, which has her. Try to get the focus. There we go. It has her website address and who she is, and how you can get a hold of her on Gmail. And it has also her YouTube channel and how to get her on Facebook. Okay, let's get everything out of here. There's a lot of drills here. Oof. Alrighty. We have got we've got 10 bags of 3846 Crystal AB. Let's see if we can show you what they look like. Aren't those so pretty? I'm going to be using this in a kit that I'm going to be doing from Diamond Art Club. And then I got some 3846 Glow. This is the finished one that I'm already working on. I kind of missed out some drills. We got some more 310 Glow drills. These are also going to be used in the same canvas. We've got 5 bags of that. We are going to be using these in a kit for the DP along that I'm going to be doing. It is going to be the Hero DP along. It will be starting December 1st through January 31st. The canvas that I'm going to be doing is the Moms Are the Real Superheroes. So if y'all would like to join us, let us know. Bella Art de Nicole is hosting that DP along. If you like what you see on my channel so far, I know there's not many, but we're just kind of starting out. This is everything that we got today, and we will be hopefully getting some more videos in soon. So y'all have fun, like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell right there in the corner by the subscribe button if you want to see future video uploads. And y'all have a great, blessed day.